The following example will take a look at the placeholder event, which is a workflow event that can be used as a design time placeholder to represent a future event that will be configured within the design view of your workflow. When you drop the placeholder event on your design canvas, you can configure outcomes to branch out of the event or allow the workflow to end at this event. Also keep in mind this event requires no human interaction and no action will be performed by this event during the course of a running workflow instance. Another practice many workflow designers employ with the placeholder event is to include notes about the step it represents, as well as how it should be configured in the future. By using this capability, a workflow designer can design and save a complete graphical layout of a workflow without having to configure any steps. And then, in the future, the workflow developer can come back and configure the workflow steps as instructed by the workflow designer. I have a basic workflow for this example that illustrates a leave request process for an organization. In my example, after the leave request has been approved by the employee's manager and the Human Resources Department, the business also requested to have the employee's available leave quantity updated in their ERP system after the employee takes their leave. At this point in time, I don't have an interface into this system, but when my developer exposes the correct method to make that update with a K2 Smart Object, this step can be configured at that point in time. I do, however, still want to present a full view of this workflow to management. To do this, I can drop a placeholder event in to represent the location where the update to the ERP system will occur. I'm also going to include a note to the developer about what should happen here on this step. I can make this happen by right-clicking on the placeholder step on my canvas, then select the Notes menu option that appears and add whatever message I want to include here. From this point, I have the ability to save my work and even deploy the workflow and begin using it in my organization if I choose. Thank you for watching this demo on how to use the placeholder event. We hope you have a better understanding of how and when you can use this capability to improve and speed up your workflow design process inside your organization.